everyone, Naci here. We're making deer meat pot stickers. I know it sounds kind of different, but here in the South, we've got so many people that hunt, and what they do is they actually give me deer meat. And so I wanted to do something different other than spaghetti or deer meat burgers. I make deer meat pot stickers, and it's one of our household favorites. So I'm going to show you how to make that, and I know you can do it too. So here we go. What you need is 1 pound of deer meat, half napa cabbage that is shredded, 3 or 4 cloves of minced garlic, about 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 2 or 3 stalks of green onions, a little bit of sugar, some cornstarch with a little bit of water to thicken up the filling, some sesame oil, soy sauce, black pepper, and then this special ingredient, which is a seasoned soy sauce called Maggi. You can get this at any Oriental section, Asian section, or in one of those markets, the international markets. And of course, we need the pot sticker wrappers. This is gyoza pot sticker wrappers, and I get them round. You can get them either square or round, but I prefer the round. Here we go, let's start cooking. Well, now I'm going to show you how to actually make the filling of these deer meat pot stickers. So we start off with a pan that's heated up, and then we put a little bit of vegetable oil in there. Then what we want to do is start to get our garlic, then our ginger. And we want to kind of sweat that out. You could smell the aromas, they're incredible. Garlic and ginger just smells so good, and it's gonna add so much flavor to the venison or the deer meat. It's time for the meat to get wrapped. Now you can hear the meat sizzling, and that's what you want. It smells delicious. So now that it's partially browned, you can see that some of it is brown, but not all of it is brown. We can start adding the seasonings in now. We want to coat the batch with some pepper. We want to add some sesame oil. We want to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of this Maggi seasoning. Now, if you can't find the Maggi seasoning, it's okay. You could just use soy sauce, but the Maggi seasoning just adds a little bit of a dimension that some people just can't figure out what it is, and it just tastes so good, and that's sort of a secret. There we go. Flavoring the meat in pot stickers is really, really important, because if you think about it, you've only got 1 little bite, so you want to make that bite packed in with a lot of flavor. So now the meat is seasoned, but we did forget to put a little bit of sugar in here, and sugar is always important when you have something that's salty. It sort of just balances out. Particularly in Asian flavors, there's always a little bit of a salt and sweet. So we need to put 1 teaspoonful of sugar in this mix. Now it's time for veggies. We're gonna add the napa cabbage. Saute that in there. And when the cabbage is reduced down a little bit, then all we have to do after that is fold in the green onions. We just have to add the cornstarch mixed in with a little bit of cold water. This is about a tablespoonful of cornstarch in cold water. And then we just pour it in here. Now voila! Here is your mix for your pot stickers. The next thing that we have to do is strain it so that it's not too soggy, and then put it in our pot pot sticker wrappers. Now look at that. Look how amazing that looks and smells. It's pretty much done, and I know that you can make it. So now I'm going to show you how to actually make the pot stickers. Okay, so you take the pot sticker wrapper, and then you put it in your hand, just like this, and it fills up your whole hand. Or my hands are tiny, so it fills up the whole hand. You take some of your filling, about a tablespoonful of your filling. You really don't need a lot because these pot sticker things are really tiny. So there's 1 tablespoonful of filling, and then you fold it up like a half moon, just like this. Now what we could do is actually take a little bit of water, I have water, and then put it on the edges to make sure that it sticks together, and then actually fold it up into a half moon. See that? Look at that. Now what you want to do to make it look pretty and then to make sure it's holding together is that you crease it. So you crease it just like this in different parts of the pot sticker. There you go. And one more. See? And there you have it. There's your pot sticker right there. See that? And then what you can do with this is you can make several of them. The batch that I showed you how to make pretty much makes 1 whole package of pot stickers. And then what you can do is you could lay them on a tray, put them in the freezer, and let them harden and get a little cold, and then store it, and then you'll have it for whenever you have a party or whenever you're hungry, and you can have yourself homemade deer meat pot stickers. So what you need to start off with to make your pot stickers is a non-stick pan, and then add a little bit of vegetable oil. It's because we're not deep frying these. We're just slowly pan frying them. Now these are straight out of the freezer, and so they're kind of hard a little bit. And what we want to do is just get them in there, lay them down on the pan fry them until they're slightly browned on each side. If you want, you can even put a lid to kind of get them going a little bit faster. Now I've got these pot stickers cooking on a medium to low heat because these are frozen pot stickers. So a medium to low heat will allow all the filling to get softened. It's already cooked in there, so there's nothing to worry about as it relates to raw meat. But what you wanted to do is just make sure that the whole inside is hot and delicious. There's almost like a little bit of light golden brown crispiness. This is a very important step. What you have to do is actually take 1 tablespoon of water and put it in the pan right there. You could put a tablespoon and a half. There you go. You see that going? You want to put the lid on and let it steam, and then you can turn it off. Now that will ensure that the inside of your pot stickers are soft and steamy, and then on the outside it still has sort of that chewiness to it. That's an important step in making pot stickers that are pan fried. And then voila, you're done. So I know you can make this. So there you have it. You've got your pan-fried deer meat pot stickers that you made. They're delicious and crispy and chewy, all combined, and they're a unique appetizer that nobody else will probably have in their freezer. I serve them with some pot sticker sauce that I just got from the store, but you could serve them with soy sauce, sriracha, whatever you want to serve them with. These are absolutely delicious. Look at the inside of them. They're so good, so meaty. full, packed with flavor. So if you like what you see, make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, or whatever. So enjoy your day and peace out.